27th, June 3rd. And popping in to show you what I'm doing for dinner. Here, fish, fried fish, something I haven't had in months. I just felt the need to. Yeah, had to taste for it. And some hot water cornbread. That's what that is. Here's my batter for my hot water cornbread. Some more fish here. Yeah. The next piece that comes out, I'm getting ready to eat that bread. I remember standing in the kitchen when my mom made hot water cornbread. I wouldn't even let it come out the skillet good. Get the butter on it. And, yeah. So many people would call her. Sometimes she would be at work and she would get called for the recipe. Anywho, one of those country recipes. So good. That's why I only do it once every blue moon. But anywho, you guys do fried foods. Do you have any special recipes for cornbread, whole cakes, Johnny cakes, tea cakes? Let me know. I will see you guys in the comments.